Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of food. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of continental cuisine, so buckle up and get ready for a delicious journey. Continental cuisine, also known as European cuisine, is a broad term that encompasses the culinary traditions of the European continent. It's a melting pot of flavors, spices, and techniques that have been passed down through generations. From the Mediterranean to the Baltic Sea, continental cuisine offers a diverse array of dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. One of the most iconic dishes in continental cuisine is the French dish, coq au vin. This hearty stew is made with chicken, bacon, mushrooms, and red wine, and is a perfect example of the rich flavors that continental cuisine is known for. Another must-try dish is the Italian classic, spaghetti carbonara. This simple yet delicious pasta dish is made with spaghetti, bacon, egg, and cheese, and is a testament to the simplicity and flavor of Italian cooking. Moving on to Spain, we have the iconic paella valenciana. This traditional rice dish is made with a variety of seafood, chicken, and vegetables, and is a perfect example of the Mediterranean diet. Moving north to Germany, we have the famous schnitzel. This breaded and fried pork cutlet is a staple of German cuisine and is a perfect example of the hearty dishes that the country is known for. And last but not least, we have the Swedish classic, Swedish meatballs. These delicious meatballs are served with a creamy sauce and are a perfect example of the comforting dishes that Scandinavia is known for. So there you have it, folks. A quick tour of some of the most iconic dishes from continental cuisine. We hope you enjoyed this journey through flavors and traditions, and we can't wait to bring you more delicious content in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, happy eating!